Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. Guys, if you want to make your public Facebook group into a private Facebook group, then this video will be helpful for you because in this video I will show you how you can make your public Facebook group into a private Facebook group so that only the members of your Facebook group can see and watch your posts on Facebook group. So guys, let's get started. First of all, open your Facebook application and then click on three lines on top right corner. After that, click on groups and then on top menu you can see your groups. Click on your groups and then scroll down and here you can see groups you manage. Here your all groups will appear. So select the group that you want to make private. For example, I click on first group and then click on manage. After that, scroll down and find group setting. Here you can see group setting and here you can see privacy. Click on it. Here you can make your group public or private. You can see my group is public. If I want to make it private, then I click on private and then click on next. Then it will ask you the reason why you want to make it private. Make sure that once you make your group private, you cannot change it into public group. So keep in mind this. For example, I click on any reason, too much work for example, and then click on continue. And then continue anyway. Change to private and then click on continue. So this will group permanently become private in 3 days. It means your groups will become private before 3 days you can make it public. After that, after 3 days you cannot make it public group. So guys, in this way you can make your public group into a private group. So guys, if this video is helpful for you, please like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.